Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable help in Dota 2 to make yourself untargetable to your allies. Dota 2 is a team game, but sometimes you might end up in a team with toxic players who just want to sabotage the game by using different spells like Astral Imprisonment or items like Force Staff on you, just to grief you. In that case, making yourself untargetable to your allies would be very useful. You can do so by using the Disable Help button. To do this, bring up the scoreboard during the game by pressing the scoreboard menu, and then on the bottom right of your scoreboard menu, there will be an option called Show Shared Unit Control Options. Click on it once. As you can see, the Help button is on by default. You can disable Help by just unchecking these boxes, like so. This prevents the ally from targeting you with beneficial spells or items. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!